This is the spreadsheet version of the perpetual average. This is sometimes known as the moving average or the weighted average. We start with a beginning inventory. That's a debit on our T account. We have 800 units, $3.20 per unit. Next we have a sale. We sell 600 units, and we know that on our adjustment, we know that our cost per unit on that sale is $3.20 because we haven't done anything else. We only have the one cost. So the average is that number that's $3.20. Our ending inventory is 200 and our ending inventory value is $6.40. This becomes the running total here, and then we keep the same numbers here that create a log. So we have a historical log we can look to, and then we can always look down here and see what the current is. Sold inventory is the same thing. We have just sold 600 at that cost of goods sold. When we take 640 and we divide it by 200, we get $3.20. Nothing has changed. Our costing hasn't changed, so we wouldn't expect the average unit cost to change. It will change on a purchase, so we add a purchase. This is a debit on our account, on our T account. We're going to bring this in at $3.10. We had 200. Let's come up here. We had 200, and then we added in 2,200, so that gives us now a total of 2,400. We had an ending inventory value of $640, and now with our 22 at $3.10, our total ending inventory value is $7.46, $7,460. When we divide $7,460 with 2,400, we get $3.11. $3.11 then becomes our new average cost per unit. We come down here to a sale. We've sold 1,600 units. We know from the previous calculation that our average unit cost is going to be $3.11. So on our adjustment, we can plug in those numbers. This leaves our ending inventory count at 800 with a value of 2,487, sold units at 2,200, and cost of goods sold at 6,896. We still have a number for the sales order item valuation log ID. We know that this adjustment line is working on this sales order line. It's connected by these IDs. We won't have any need for a purchase order item valuation log ID in the average method. We'll come down here for a new purchase, and we'll purchase 1,200 units at $3.30. That's going to increase that's 1,200 plus 800 is going to increase our ending inventory count of 2,000. We had an ending inventory value of 2,487. With this purchase of 3960, our ending inventory value is now 6,447. When we divide 6,447 by 200, we get $3.22. That then becomes our new average. We have two new sales. We would expect that since nothing has changed from the purchase end, that those sales would draw from the most recent average of $3.22. And we could see that on each of these lines, the moving average line. So on the first sale, this line, we have an adjustment line here, and that's $3.22. And the same with the 400, $3.22. Then we have a purchase. Our purchase of 1,800, we recently had 600 units. We're going to add 1,800. That gives us a total purchase of 2,400. And our value was 1936, and now we are adding that to 6,120. This gives us our ending inventory count with an ending inventory value. When I divide the value by the count, we get $3.36. That can get plugged in here, so we know our next sale will be at $3.36. Here's our next sale, and I'll move down here to the average adjustment, and we could see that we have $3.36. Then we have a purchase of $3.50. The purchase is for 500 units. We had 1,000 units. We're going to add 500 units. That gives us 1,500 units. The cost, the ending inventory value, was $3,352. When I add this ending inventory value for this purchase line, we get $5,102. Dividing the value by the count gives us $3.40. We have a running total here of our sold inventory and our cost of goods sold. Next, we have a sale. We would expect that average to be $3.40, and here, in fact, is that adjustment. That gives us an ending inventory of 1,300, which we see in our table here. The value of the ending inventory is $4,422, we see here. The sold inventory is 5,200, and the cost of goods sold 16,788. One thing you have to watch on the spreadsheet is how many decimal points you draw it out. You may want to draw it out 4 or 5 decimal points for your accounting purposes, but I noticed when I was working on this with what Professor Aldridge had, I had to make sure that I was using, in one case, just 2 decimal points for the numbers to work out right. So watch your decimal points.